Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm pretty much just going to be showing you guys how to beat the advanced challenge. As you can see, I already beat it. It's called Friday Stinger, Pray to the RNG Gods. So, first thing when you load in here is that be ready to do a couple of tries, because it's not, you're lucky if you get on the first try, right? So what you're going to want to do is take your Dart Monkey and place him right here. There's a couple different spots, but I beat it with this spot, and then I went crossbow master, obviously, and then quick shots, very quick shots. Alright, and then what you're gonna do is play. Make sure not to speed it up, because if you do speed it up, then it just does less damage, and as you can see, we might. Okay, yeah, we're gonna lose that. So we got pretty close, but if you beat the first wave of Cerams, you pretty much win the challenge. Um, so yeah, all you're gonna want to do is just pretty much just hope that you can win. And okay, we're getting lucky. Okay, no, okay, yeah, we didn't get it. That's the only, yeah, that SRAM is gonna cost us. All right, but yeah, just be prepared really to um to sit here for a minute because it's solely RNG. But as you can see, I did complete it, and this was where my crossbow master was. But I'll show you guys pretty much the run where I beat it. But you can just keep on retrying this. And yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Whenever I can beat it. So as you guys can see, yeah, we beat it, and yeah, it was a bit of RNG, but we did eventually get it. I'm just gonna see how I can do against this BFB because it has 2,000 mob out. But yeah, hope this helped you. One thing that you can do is hold on. I'm gonna try this in a minute. Yeah, let me restart the challenge. I'm just gonna see what's the difference if I put on close because I beat it last time on close. But this time I just left it on first. Hold on. If I beat it this time, I'm actually gonna be mad. Hold on. Okay, now one green got by. Okay. That is so close. But I think if you put it on close, it has a better chance for some reason. So yeah, whenever you do this, just don't put it on first. I know I didn't specify what to put it on, but put it on close, and I think you'll. Yeah, it's doing better. Close is better. But hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helped you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, bye guys.